Hello and happy Earth Day! I'm excited to share what's been going on here around the studio. I've been creating these kits to share with you on this Earth Day weekend, and these are for the CYANOTYPES, the Magic of Alternative Photography workshop. I've been busily creating all of these cyanotypes, and now that it's spring, I'm so excited that I can create again outdoors with the sun, and really exciting being able to use the botanicals and things from my own garden. So the spring session of CYANOTYPES, the Magic of Alternative Photography workshop begins on May 24th. So when I'm getting ready to create cyanotypes, I get everything prepared beforehand. My papers are drying or they've dried overnight and are ready to go. And meanwhile, I have all my plexiglass ready and prepared, cleaned and ready. I also have my botanicals all out and the ones I'm gonna use ready to go. And it's like magic when it happens, getting it oxidized right away, but just So I began 2021 with the winter session of CYANOTYPES, the Magic of Alternative Photography workshop, and we had so much fun. But it was a very, very full class, and I had to close the seating for that session. So I'm opening it up again on May 24th for the spring session of this workshop. So if you are currently in the winter session of CYANOTYPES, the Magic of Alternative Photography workshop, then you have all of the content for this course, of course, for as long as you like. And this course, the spring session, is going to have a new spring segment added to it, but all of the current students will receive that segment as well. So exactly what is inside these Earth Day weekend kits? Well, you get a original cyanotype signed and dated by me in a 5x7 size. You also get paper, and the most expensive thing when getting into cyanotype printing is definitely the paper, but you want to have an archival fine art paper that's worthy of these beautiful prints that you're going to be creating. And to get into that and start sampling all those different sorts of fine art papers can get really, really pricey. And just to try them out, you'd have to buy a pack of each, which can run you $25, $35 plus a pack. So in these little Earth Day printing kits, I've included samples of all of my favorite papers to print with so that you can try them out without going and having to buy an entire pack. I've included a studio grade paper that's great for getting started and also for trying out new techniques. I've also included some Fabriano Artistico. It's my favorite watercolor paper, 100% cotton, and it's a hot press. It's great to print with. I've also included one 4x5 each of one of my favorite photo printing papers, and these are papers that are specifically made for the alternative photography process. These papers include things like Burger Cot 320, Hahnemühle Platinum Rag, Reeves Platinum, and the Burger Cot 160. I've also marked which side is the printing side on each of these papers. It's a question I get asked a lot, and not all papers say which side is the correct side. So once you take them out of a package, you can easily get sort of twisted up as to which side is the correct side to print on. On this little kit, I've marked clearly on the back which paper it is to identify your paper, and also I've marked each paper which side is the back side so you know which side to print on. There are so many fine art papers out there that work great for printing with the cyanotype printing process, but not all of them are ready to go right straight out of the bat. These papers are proven winners to work well with the cyanotype printing process and are some of my favorite papers of all time to print with. So these Earth Day kits will be available with the purchase of the CYANOTYPE, the Magic of Alternative Photography workshop spring session, and they will automatically come with your purchase until they are gone. So they are available beginning this morning, today on Earth Day, and when they're gone, I will post on the website on sherryrepublico.com that they are all sold out. And what exactly is in this workshop? Well, you can see all the details for this workshop on sherryreplogle.com, and I'll put the link below. But we go through all of the traditional techniques from the beginning on how to create traditional cyanotypes. This is based on the Anna Atkins method of printing botanical cyanotypes that she started back in 1843, about a year after cyanotypes were invented by Sir John Herschel. And in this workshop, we are printing all botanical matter of all different sorts. You'll just be thrilled when you discover what you can use out there in nature to print these beautiful photographs with. But this workshop is broken down into 4 sections, and you receive a section each and every Monday, and they're yours for as long as you like after that. But the first 4 weeks we're going through together. So in the second section of this workshop, it's all about bringing beautiful textures into the background of these prints. The third section of this workshop is all about pushing that color past that traditional blue and what other colors you can bring out in these beautiful prints. And the bonus section of this workshop, which is section number 4, is all about adding alternative finishes to your cyanotype prints. So this includes cold wax, encaustic wax, and the ways they can add and enhance your cyanotype print. Just like all of my other 18 workshops on sherryreplogle.com, they are all available for, once you purchase them, you have them for as long as you like. So the content is all pre-recorded. There's no Zoom things that you have to set a time for. They're just all there for you. But in this case, when there is a new workshop, I like to go through with everybody as a group all at the same time, and you can still watch the videos whenever you like, but I am available right there with you, and also in the new Facebook group for the course to answer any questions whenever you have any. And here I'm just adding a little bit of Renaissance wax, in this case, to the cyanotypes that are going out in the Earth Day kit. So they all have a finish on them. It just gives a little bit of a pop to the photograph, and I really love Renaissance wax, and also any cold wax also gives just a little bit of richness to that print. And the course right now is also on sale through May 8th for 25% off. So it's 25% off now. The price will go up to its regular price on May 9th. So there's also that's going on, and you get that plus the Earth Day kit for as long as they're available. So I just wanted to let you guys know that here on the Wax on Wednesdays channel. So that's what I've been doing all for the last couple of weeks, is getting these Earth Day weekend kits ready and creating all of the original cyanotypes to go along with the kits. So I hope that you will join me for this course. If you have any questions, you can always email me on sherryreplogle.com, and also check out the course on that site. So I hope that you have a wonderful Earth Day and a wonderful week, and let me know what you're creating for Earth Day. Are you creating something outdoors? Is the weather nice enough that you can get outside and create something, create some art outdoors? Are you planting, painting, printing, eco-dyeing? What is it that you are doing, creating outdoors to celebrate this Earth Day? Let us know in the comments below what you're up to, and I hope that you have a wonderful Earth Day and a wonderful week. Happy Wax on Wednesdays and happy Earth Day! See you soon.